How to cancel JustFit subscription. Whether you are switching to a different fitness app or taking a break, canceling your subscription is quick and easy. In this guide, I'll show you how to cancel your JustFit subscription step by step. Let's get in. Launch your settings. Now at the very top, you're gonna find your username. Click on it. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. Once you're in the subscription page, over here you'll find different sections as active and inactive subscription. Under active subscription, you'll find the option of JustFit. Click on it. Now, at the bottom left, you'll find the option of cancel subscription option. Click on it. You'll get the pop-up. Click on confirm. With that, your subscription for JustFit will be cancelled. Now you won't be charged anymore, and the great thing is you can carry on using the app until the subscription date was originally due. Also, deleting the app or account will not cancel your subscription, and subscriptions renew automatically unless you cancel your subscription manually on your own. Well, that's all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.